Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we need to have a serious talk about the state of IPTV in the USA right now. Over the last few months, my comments section has been blowing up with people saying the exact same thing. Sonix IPTV is buffering. Sonix took my money and stopped working after 2 days. Or, I can't watch a single NFL game without the stream freezing. Guys, it is 2026. You should not be paying for a service that crashes right when the main event starts. If you are sick of the buffering, the scams, and the massive $150 cable bills, today is your lucky day. I am going to reveal the absolute best Sonix IPTV alternative and the undisputed #1 best USA IPTV service for 2026. I am talking about crystal clear 4K sports, every single US local channel, and absolutely zero buffering. Grab your remote, cancel your old subscription, and let's completely upgrade your TV right now. Let's keep it 100% real. Why do so many IPTV services like Sonix start out great and then completely fall apart? It all comes down to server capacity. When a service gets too popular but doesn't invest money back into their infrastructure, their servers become overloaded. So, when it's a random Tuesday afternoon, it works fine. But the second a massive UFC pay-per-view, the Super Bowl, or a huge NBA playoff game comes on, 1 million people try to log in, the servers crush under the weight, and you are left staring at a spinning loading circle of death. If you live in the United States, you need a service that has dedicated, private US servers built for heavy traffic. You need the VIP lane. Guys, I want to officially introduce you to the heavyweight champion of 2026, Mint IPTV. If you are looking for the absolute best Sonix IPTV alternative, this is it. Mint IPTV is heavily optimized specifically for the USA market. They don't overload their servers. They focus entirely on providing a luxury, premium, flawless cable experience. Here is why Mint IPTV is completely taking over the US market right now. Mint IPTV runs on incredibly powerful private servers. When the biggest sporting events in the world happen, your stream stays locked in crisp 4K and 1080p without a single hiccup. You get every single US local news station, every premium movie network, and a flawless sports package. Say goodbye to annoying regional NFL and NBA blackouts forever. It completely replaces your Netflix, Max, and Hulu bills. You get thousands of movies and TV show box sets updated daily, directly on your TV. You might be thinking, a private zero-buffer server probably costs a fortune. Actually, it is the exact opposite. If you are paying $150 a month for basic US cable, you are throwing away almost $2,000 a year. Mint IPTV offers incredibly flexible packages for a tiny fraction of that cost. You can grab a short-term plan to test out those flawless servers, or you can lock in a massive discount with their longer-term plans. When you compare the price to what you pay for traditional cable and sports packages, it is an absolute no-brainer. Switching from your old buffering service to Mint IPTV is incredibly easy. It works perfectly on your Amazon Fire Stick, Android TV, or Smart TV. Here is exactly how to do it. Grab your phone or computer right now, go to mintiptv.io and grab your subscription. Once you check out securely, they will instantly email you your VIP login details, username, password, and portal URL. Install the premium Mint player. Open the app, click on Login with Extreme Codes API, and type in the details from your welcome email. Hit Add User, let the massive USA TV guide download, and boom! Look at this beautiful TV guide. Scroll through the channels, click on any live US sports network. Look how instantly it snaps onto the screen. No searching for sketchy links, no pop-up ads, and most importantly, no spinning buffering rings. You officially have a $1,000 level entertainment setup running flawlessly on your TV. Guys, it is time to stop suffering through laggy streams, and it is time to stop getting scammed by overloaded IPTV providers. Treat yourself to the premium setup you deserve. Head over to mintiptv.io right now, grab your premium VIP subscription, and transform your living room today. I have put the direct link at the very top of the description and pinned it in the comments below so you can click it instantly. If this video helped you find the ultimate USA cable killer, please absolutely destroy that thumbs up button. It helps the YouTube algorithm push this video to more people who are tired of buffering. Make sure you subscribe with the bell turned on so you never miss a Fire Stick upgrade. Drop a comment down below. What is the very first live sports event you are going to watch on your new Mint IPTV setup? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Head over to mintiptv.io and I will see you in the next video.